Hello, this is Saba Ajmeri and I'm sharing 3 of my most easiest contour tips with you. First one, using a cream contour and an angled brush. Instead of applying the product directly onto your face, use a brush so you have more control and it's easier to blend. Now using a sponge, push it into your skin so it is easier. It blends like a dream. And second tip is to use the contour stick underneath your foundation, but make sure your foundation is sheer to medium coverage. Third tip is to contour using a compact powder. If you're someone like me, I love powders during summers, so they're easier to deal with. So take a two-tone darker shade to contour in the compact powder, and that's it. It gives a flawless color to your skin, and this is my finished look. I hope you like it and follow Cossouq for more.